teenage mind is like a sea sponge that is constantly absorbing new things. No wonder their cup of ideas is always running over. But these brimming minds need space. And their space needs to reflect their personalities. Bedrooms top the list when it comes to teenagers' personal space. While designing spaces for teens, colors and layout hold much importance. The Italian furniture company, Clever, seems to have their combinations right with their terrific showcase of rooms for teens. Most of these rooms use white as the base with one main bright color thrown in. Barring the couple of ones in pink, the rest sport a unisex theme. Check them out here.